Hello friends, welcome to my channel Prachi Style. Today we'll be reviewing a fragrance from a brand called as Mont Blanc. This fragrance is called as Lady Emblem. This was launched in 2015 and the bottle which I have is from 2019. So this was a wedding gift to me and this is a 75 ml bottle. Uh, and I really have liked this fragrance a lot. Even so later, since got this in 2019, but in recent years, it has definitely grown on me. So I really love this fragrance. It's very soft, delicate, powdery, floral fragrance. So I really find myself reaching out for this fragrance a lot these days, especially since it's summer. So the perfumer for this fragrance is Claire Legend, and this fragrance reminds me of Zara's Nude Bouquet Summer. So those of you who like Zara's Nude Bouquet Summer would definitely like this fragrance. It's just that it smells more designer, more sophisticated, and is a bit deeper, darker than Zara. Definitely, I think there's a lot of price difference between Zara and this fragrance. But yeah, it does give you that designer, high-end fragrance feel. This fragrance, Lady Emblem. Also, just look at the bottle. It's so pretty. The design of this bottle was inspired from a diamond. I have always loved this bottle. It looks so beautiful on the vanity. See, it's so pretty. Even the lid is of a diamond shape, and it always gives me that luxurious feel whenever I use this and take this bottle in my hand. It's very chic, it's very feminine, very pretty. Also, the perfume is really beautiful, especially for those of you who love rose fragrances. This has a beautiful fragrance of rose, which is not your usual pink rose kind of a fragrance. So rose is used in a much better, deeper, beautiful way, along with notes of sandalwood, jasmine, which gives it that powdery, musky feel. So overall, it's a very pretty fragrance, especially for summers. This is a very musky, woody, white floral, warm, spicy, and slightly sweet fragrance, which is a bit deeper. For me, it feels like mature, feminine, elegant vibe. So it's not a very girly fragrance. It's a bit mature fragrance, but it's not very old lady fragrance as well. So I really like it. It's quite romantic, this fragrance. It's ideal for your date nights. It's perfect for summers, whenever you want to feel as if you're going out for an easy breezy stroll, or want to get that rose feel around you, floral touch when you're wearing a floral dress and you want to feel pretty. So this is one of those occasions when you can wear this one, pick this fragrance. So to talk about the notes of this fragrance, top notes are of sake, pink pepper, pink grapefruit. Middle notes or heart notes are of jasmine and pomegranate. Base notes are of musk, sandalwood, and amber. It's a very delicate, beautiful rose fragrance, and it's not typical rose fragrance. So, in recent years, I've grown a fondness for a rose note in a fragrance. So, I keep experimenting with rose fragrances. So, the rose is not as fresh as in Zara Nude Bouquet or in Issey Miyake Nectar d'Essai, but the rose is really done beautifully along with the notes of jasmine. So it gives you that rich feel, the designer vibe to it, and I have really loved this fragrance a lot. And just for overall the design, the packaging, and the quality, when you use it, you feel the quality of product is quite good, as it justifies the designer brand which is attached to it. Also, longevity wise, it's medium, and that is it lasts for around 3 to 4 hours depending on the skin, oily skin or normal skin. So on oily skin, perfumes tend to last for a longer duration, or if you hydrate your skin before applying fragrances, they do last a bit longer. Also depends on the weather conditions if you are applying it on a sunny day, but ideally this is good for sunny days, and I really like this. I really would recommend it to all the people who love Zara Nude Bouquet Summer. Some of you asked me if I know any similar fragrances, I should share them. So yeah, this is a one which you would definitely like if you like Zara Summer Nude Bouquet. So this is for all those fragrance lovers who love grapefruit. I mean fresh citrusy fruity notes along with florals and musky notes in a fragrance. So do try this one and let me know in the comment section below if you like it. Also, if you have this fragrance in your collection, do let me know what was your experience with it. And if you're watching this video from your YouTube mobile app, please do hype this video so it reaches more and more people and helps my channel to grow. Also, if you have not yet liked, share and subscribe, please do like, share and subscribe, and just keep watching my videos. Until the next time, goodbye.